I'm Better Call Chad, and today I'm going to go over the best summer fertilizers for St. Augustine grass. Before we get started, check me out at bettercallchad.com. I have some awesome stuff on there, and thank you to all my Patreon supporters. Here's their names on there. Thank you so much for helping support the channel and what I do. If you'd like to do the same, check out the links below to get started on Patreon, where I have some exclusive content. Now let's get right into this video. So guys, summertime is hot. That's when the heat is out. And the way I love to explain to people about the summer is we're not trying to worry so much about the lawn thriving, we're worrying about surviving. Getting it thriving and going is what we needed to do in the springtime. Now in the heat, now when we're getting average rainfall and things, it can definitely thrive, but when we're in the heat and we get a week of rain, a week of drought, chinch bugs, fungus, everything's coming at us, I like to tell people we want to focus on surviving the hottest months. And then back into fall, when it cools off a bit, that's when we can focus on thriving, and then same in the springtime. So here's some good fertilizers that are going to help the lawn look good, survive, but not doing too much where you can possibly cause damage or stress to the lawn. And also, I got all of these from Amazon. I forgot to mention that. The important thing is, all these are from Amazon because the people who watch my videos are all over the place, and some places have some of these products and some places don't. So my important thing is, everyone who's watching this can get these because they are on Amazon. So these are my favorite summer fertilizers on Amazon. Now, one of the best is the Yard Mastery Stress Blend. This is a 7-0-20 with 3% iron. Now you're gonna use 3 pounds per 1,000 square feet. Now a large bag costs $80, which is gonna be 11 cents per ounce. I'm gonna put links to all these products below in the video as well. Now another really good one is the Andersons Lean and Green, which is a 200 with 10% iron. Now you're gonna use 3.5 pounds per 1,000 square feet. And this comes in at $90 a bag, which is 14 cents an ounce. Now one of my all-time favorites, and this is a natural one, is Milorganite, which is a 640. Now you're gonna use 6 pounds per 1,000 square feet, and a bag comes in at $33. And this is gonna cost you 6 cents an ounce. Now we also have Ironite, which is a 101 with iron in it. Now you're gonna use 3 pounds per 1,000 square feet, and it's gonna cost you $77 a bag. Now this is gonna come out to 16 cents an ounce. Now those were all granular products. I'm gonna list off 2 liquids that are gonna work as well, but as you notice, these are all low nitrogen, which is really important for the summer because nitrogen produces heat when it releases, and you should have given it plenty of nitrogen in the springtime to get it growing. So it should be growing and thriving. We don't need to overdo the nitrogen because that can also cause thatch down the road. So too much nitrogen can cause a lot of issues. And also, I'm giving you the cost per ounce. That way you can truly weigh out, because some bags are expensive and cheaper than others, but depending on the rates, which I'm also telling you, is gonna let you know how much to use, and then per ounce is gonna be the price. Now, a good liquid I like is the Simple Lawn Solution 600 with 5% iron. Now you're gonna use 10 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet. It's gonna cost you $25 for a bottle, and it's gonna come in at 77 cents a fluid ounce. And now the last one, which is a liquid, is Ironite Plus, which is a 621 with 1% iron. Now you're gonna use 6.5 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet, and this is gonna come in at 96 cents a fluid ounce. There it is. You can get all these on Amazon, and honestly, all of these are great. They have the low nitrogen, essential nutrients to give the lawn what they need, and iron to keep the lawn green, because that's what we want to use to green up the lawn in the summer is iron, because that'll give you the green without promoting the growth like nitrogen will. And you have how much to use and the cost. So again, you can rotate these per summer, or if you find something that works well for your lawn, you can use it all the time in the summer. But guys, these are all really great summer blends. You can get them on Amazon, so I know all of you can get them. Now, that's it, a quick, simple video. If you like this, please show by giving this a like, comment, let me know, and subscribe. I appreciate the support. Check me out at bettercallchad.com. If you want to support me more, you don't have to at all, but I always appreciate it. Check me out on Patreon. Everyone, thank you so much, and have a great rest of your day.